about what I really want to. I'm just kidding. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make surprise eggs. Let's get started. So what you'll need for this video is you'll need plastic eggs, your choice from size-wise. If you want to make large ones, you can use large. I'm just going to make small. You'll need to fill your eggs or small toys such as bracelets, erasers, minifigures, and more minifigures. If you want to make them like Kinder Surprise eggs, you will need tinfoil, which I do not have in here right now, or Play-Doh. You can make a Hatchimal, but okay. So these are from Dollar General. It'd be best if you have white eggs, but it'd be best if you had white eggs, but I only have purple, orange, yellow, green, pink, blue. I'm gonna get these out of here. So I'm gonna get my there's a crumb on my hand. I don't know what. I'm going to get my egg and I'm going to put my bracelet in here. You could either put it directly in the egg or you could use like things like this, like shot pen containers or squishy containers. So I'm going to see if the shot container fits in here. Ooh, fits perfect. You can even fit two. I'm just going to fit one, and now I'm going to put the bracelet in here. Go in, bracelet. Make sure that your toy fits in before you plan. Okay, my bracelet is open. It just popped open. Since my bracelet doesn't fit in here just perfect, I just put some duct tape on there. Now you have to fit it in your little egg. And this and that. And then secure this with duct tape also, if needed. So I secured mine with duct tape. My cat is eating the plastic from the packaging. Now you have to cover it up. Cover mine with, I don't know. Cover mine with Play-Doh. It's so hard to freehand press out Play-Doh. Definitely recommend getting something to roll it out. Well guys, here's my finished surprise egg. So here's my finished surprise egg. I had to put two pieces of Play-Doh together. Mine does not cover up the whole surprise egg, but that's okay. I love this. To make it even cute, I'm going to go like this, and then it'll be covered up with something cuter. Hold on, let's put it right here. It doesn't look that cute, you guys. So, I'm just going to, let's open our surprise egg. This is really hard. I definitely recommend using masking tape. Okay, guys. We got a capsule. Look at this. 1, 2, 3. We got a bracelet. Ooh, it says princess. I love it. So I'm going to make some more surprise eggs. A few. Hey guys, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, number what, Kennedy?
4, 5, 6,
7 eggs, you guys.
Wow. So, show them me.
Okay, stuff my face. So no. So, Kennedy, do you want to open one of them?
I want to open this egg.
Okay, come over here. Open it.
Okay.
Just open it on camera.
Wow. I gotta take
Let
the...
me take the trash. Okay?
Guys, here's the duct tape. Well, if you can see, it's duct tape.
Yeah, I know. They know how to make them.
Now. Yeah. It's hard to get off.
Guys, I might maybe do a video with this.
Wow. Like, you could put candy in there, but I don't know. I don't... Shopkins!
Okay, put the shotguns right in here.
Where do I put this trash?
Get behind it.
Okay, now I want to open this egg.
To open
All of them?
3.
Okay. Okay.
Put the trash behind you.
I know that. I'm just being lazy today.
No, you're not like this.
Okay. More Shopkins?
Eventually, we'll just have the shotgun.
Okay, I'll open the pink egg.
Extravagant. No, not the Play-Doh ones. Mine are Play-Doh. You get to open one more. One. I want to open the Play-Doh ones. Too.
I get to open these?
No, one. You get to open one of them.
One. Great. More Shopkins. Oh my goodness.
Okay. My turn, you guys.
Can I just open one Play-Doh?
No, next time you can maybe open the Play-Doh. Ah, this one just cracked open.
More Shopkins.
Shopkins. Where did all the eggs go? Where did you put all of the eggs?
They're supposed to be in there.
You put them all in here? Put them all in here. Take the duct tape off first. Okay, guys.
I'm watching you open pink.
I redid the pink one, you guys, so this is not the same. And crack open.
Oh. More Shopkins!
Ooh, this one's dessert themed, you guys.
You've got to be joking! More
I
Shopkins.
think I ordered Shopkin, and I think I made Shopkin eggs. All Shopkin. Maybe.
What's this one? It might be Shopkins. We don't know yet.
Probably. Well, I know, but you don't know.
I don't know
I
because
was about to throw my Play-Doh in the trash.
the
Play-Doh.
blah blah. More Shopkins. You've got to be joking.
Put them in this drawer right here.
Oh, here's one of these. Oh, we put that one too.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Kitty, what do you think is in here?
No, it's Shopkins. More! Eat!
Put it back in the drawer. So, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment,
like,
and subscribe.
Think happy thoughts.
Okay. Think
Happy thoughts.
colorful and happy thoughts.
Oh, I was
Bye,
about
guys.